Welcome to the first ever 2023 Unity Fest. Unity Fest is a multicultural ethnic event we put on to celebrate the different cultures. We wanted to take the time to recognize these diverse, beautiful, and rich cultures and teach students about them and their history. Culture does not have to be restrained to ethnicity or race, but can represent communities and shared values. Thank you again for coming out and taking the time to learn about all the cultures here at Chesapeake College.